Main products. The wallets Ledger offer are stylish, trusted, and time-resistant. The Ledger Nano S Plus is a favorite for many crypto holders and investors because of its good cost-to-quality ratio, big convenience screen, and good memory capacity. The Ledger Nano X is the second offered wallet that's also Bluetooth-enabled. It allows connecting to smartphones and tablets so that users can manage their cryptocurrencies on the go. It's easy to do with a Ledger Live mobile app, available for both iOS and Android devices. Users of this wallet are free to check their account balances, make transactions, and manage their crypto on their smartphones wherever they are. Additionally, Bluetooth connection allows for the device to be paired and connected wirelessly, thus eliminating the need for a USB connection and providing more convenience for users. The wallet can even be used with multiple devices, with no need for cables or any physical connections. The Ledger Stax is the most up-to-date product from Ledger. It's the most pricey, but also the most sophisticated and stylish wallet, designed by the iPod's creator Tony Fadell. The wallet is suited for those who wish to enjoy the following features: transaction info visible at a glance, an always readable wallet that can display your NFTs even when it's off, a superbly long-lasting battery, the comfortable credit card wallet size, wireless charging, USB-C and Bluetooth connectivity, NFT and over 500 token management directly on the wallet. Additionally, Ledger Stax offers an infinite NFT, which should provide access to future services and apps developed for the wallet. Together with the Ledger Live app, all Ledger wallets can be managed on a smartphone or laptop device. Users can administer their crypto portfolio and perform transactions with multiple accounts. They can easily and securely buy, sell, exchange, and grow their assets with Ledger's trusted partners. Plus, get access to cutting-edge DeFi services. Finally, the fact that Ledger has responsive customer support makes the whole experience simply a smooth sail. If there are any problems, a human being can help.